In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create grid layout in Figma. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to add a clean, reusable grid to any design using resources from the Figma community and how to bring it into your own project with confidence. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. You can do this in the web app or the desktop app. Both work the same for what we're about to do. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so that opening community files works smoothly. From the homepage, click on Community. This is Figma's built-in library of templates, kits, and files shared by designers. It's a great place to find tried and true grid setups without reinventing the wheel. In the community page, use the search bar and type grid layout. This will bring up a variety of grid resources, some for web, some for mobile, and some with different column counts and spacing systems. Take a moment to skim the previews and descriptions so you choose a grid that matches your project's needs, like 12 column for web or 4 column for mobile. Once you find a grid layout you like, select it and click in to view the file. You'll usually see a short overview and some examples of how the grid is applied. This is helpful for understanding how the spacing, gutters, and margins are intended to work. Next, click Open in Figma. The file will open directly in your workspace. If you're prompted, just confirm your account and let it load. You're now viewing the actual grid file, ready to copy. Now, copy the grid layout, select the frame or component that contains the grid. Often the frame will be labeled clearly, and use the standard copy shortcut on your device. If the grid is built as a component, copying that component helps you stay consistent across pages. Finally, paste the grid into your project, switch to your design file, choose the page and frame where you want the grid, and paste. Place it at the top of your canvas or inside the target frame so alignment behaves as expected. If needed, match the frame size to your design and check properties like columns, gutter, and margin in the right sidebar so they fit your layout. A quick tip, lock the grid layer after positioning so you don't accidentally move it while designing. That's it. You've brought a professional grid into your project using the Figma community, and you're ready to design with consistent spacing and alignment.